also why we choose to actually kick this way rather than just swinging it, right?
Yes.
First swinging it because we don't really, as you said we won't bother about the protection. We just want to get full power through it. But doing it this way, there is a technique to it. Why we do it this way? So in Muay Thai sport, in the sports not in Weiboran, as we train under Muay Thai Association, we don't usually actually block this way, Jeb. We don't block this way, right? This already become Kung Fu. But is it illegal? It's not. So why I plan to actually stretch out our hand this way before our kick is also it can be also used for defense. So palm, let's say I parry this out, 2. You get where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
So if you constantly practice your roundhouse to be this way, you won't worry for the basic upper body strikes that your opponent is giving out. You won't really worry because whatever you want to give, boom, okay? Now go. Go, back. But if I'm out this way, give your strike, go. I'm still going to get it. If he's fast, I'm going to get it. Then I won't get my kicks in, right? Because he's fast. Same, even if I like that, I might not get my kicks in, but at least I'm defended. If I go kick this way, now strike, go, if I kick this way, I might not get my kicks in if he was faster. Let's say you step inside, I might not get, because there's no distance for me. There's no distance for me to actually get the kick in. If he's gonna step in, I won't have the distance, right? I won't have the, now step in, boom, I don't have the distance to kick. Let's say if you step in more with 1, 2 hooks or whatever strike that he's coming with, but at least, even if I don't get the kicks, I still get to defend out. And then I can come back to counter, I can do some footwork, I can choose on the technique I want to do after that, the counters I want to do after that. But if I'm open and I'm going to get hit, it's hard for me to think after that. It's always hard to think once you get hit.
So unless you're in the longer range, maybe you can try the full swing of the hand.
Yes,
yeah.
But what if he's a fast fighter, if he gets in fast. If he gets in fast, you have to remember that you're in an open guard. Yes, you have power, but doing that in a roundhouse, there's no wrong or right technique. There is never a wrong. There is a few details to be wrong or right, but whether you swing it down, whether you swing it this way, there's no wrong or right. But I personally, for fight guard, I prefer to do it this way because of the more defense, and I feel safer with it. So yes, giving extreme power would be great, solid, because you always want to knock out an opponent. But can you confirm that at the time you're giving that full power, it's gonna land?
So, but during practice, you can also practice 2 type, right? The hand guard thing and the full swing of the hand. Okay.
But we
during the kicks,
prefer to practice it this way.
Okay.
Because after a long time practice, yes, now like that, more power than like that, as many people say lah. But if you practice like that 1,000 times, and you practice like that 100 times, who will have more power? Even the one like that, it's not about the technique anymore. Power and speed is trained, it's not the technique. That's why even Bruce Lee with a 1-inch punch, he can produce so much power when the technique is not one for power. You get where I'm coming from? Alright.
Thank you.